Well, in this video, you're going to learn more about how I built the cabinets around the bed frame and how I created this side cabinet, which held all of my electrical for my shore power, as well as allowing me to charge the batteries, plug in my block heater, and power all of the electrical in the van while the batteries were charging off of shore power. The bed itself has to slide just right in between these two panels. There's aluminum structure here, then a 1/2 inch piece of plywood, and then this one, it has to slide right up against it, and I wanted to make sure I only had 1 millimeter or 2 of spare tolerance. I didn't want the bed sliding back and forth as we're driving down winding mountain roads, so making sure that fit was just right was important to me. Also, the seats needed to be able to slide forward. As you can see here, there's 2 forward-facing seats. This one is kind of illustrated in bed mode, and this is in seat mode. And in the back, there's a smaller seat that allows someone to sit in the back, almost like the old rumble seats in station wagons used to be, so that they can sit there and I can seat 6 people if I have to. To accommodate for that, I have to slide this whole setup forward about 1 foot so they have room for their feet in the back of the van. If I come over here, you can kind of see here where I've modeled out both wheel wells, where it would be when the bed is slid forward or backward, just to make sure that all of my electrical that passes through here has the room to do so without binding on anything. That being said, in future videos, you'll see more about the cabinets, including the fridge cabinet and my water cabinet that has the pump, sinks and water tanks built into it. But today, you'll watch me put this cabinet together, anchor it to both the floor and the wall, and then fit the bed tray in to make sure everything fits just right.